The problem with this is that much power that I've thank God there's traction control, because I would have had this in the hedge a couple of times already. The suspension's so hard and my head's touching the roof. It's too small. Oh dearie me, the ride is so bad. Who would have a little car like this? It's shit. Suzuki Alto, it's shit. Is that a fair review?
Extreme tailgating.
Double Audi level.
Don't take drugs and drive. You got that? Don't take drugs and drive. And don't allow Keith to deposit things in your battery. Yeah. It's cheap to run, but if you were smart you would buy an EV instead of buying this piece of shit. It's like a tractor to drive. It's slow, it's noisy, it vibrates at junctions because it's got a fucking internal combustion engine ticking away.
Oh, jeez, Christ!
Right, isn't it?
Whoa! Oh, my belly.
Oh god.
Have you felt acceleration like that before?
No.
Once in a Bentley.
I wonder if Methlic is short for Tasty Methlic. Its old name used to be Tasty Methlic and they just changed it to Methlic. Oh, these strange foreign countries with their strange foreign names. And my head's hitting the ceiling all the time and I feel as though this is in my face because it's that far from the front of my head. Then the wing mirror's like here compared to the leaf because it's quite a way over there, and it's like the wing mirror's in me left eye and the sun visor's in me right eye, and the both of them are folded back as far as they go. Oh dear. Give me my leaf back, please. Right, there you go. What do I look like? Do I look like a picture? Oh, is that filming right? Okay, I'm in the B Max. I meant C Max. And I'm trying out the new GoPro. Oh, don't I look fashionable? Don't I look trendy as anything in there? Whee! Look at my headgear. But you wish you had a hat like this. Oh wait, where is it? Where's the sign? Welcome to Keith. Here he is! Welcome to Keith. Hello Keith. Funny, Keith looks like a town.
Extreme tailgating.
Triple Audi level.
Right, got the dickhead cam on again here. I hope you can see us in there. Needless to say, as soon as the service on my Leaf was done, I couldn't wait to get back to the Nissan dealer at Alnwick and get back in my car and get away from that horrible little Alto as quick as possible. Oh damn, I so wanted to go through Methlic. Tasty meths. I so wanted to go through Tasty Methlic. Well, what you need is a straight bit that's got no one around like here, so just to feel the acceleration. So you ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Jesus Christ!
1.
Jesus Christ!
Everything go flying. Right, so I've got the dickhead thing on. I'm in my car now, the taxi. Is that the exit there?
The back end
Yeah.
there.
Back end down there. Let's crush it.
Whoa!
Like that.
Jesus!
I didn't realise. Jesus Christ! This is sick.
I didn't realise electric cars were so quick.
I didn't think they were quick.